Today, we are learning the Let 'em Know line dance because you requested it. Now, before we get into anything, YouTube shows me that a lot of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed. So, to keep this going and keep supporting, please help me change that stat, and let's get into this routine, all right? Now, I'm gonna divide this up into 4 easy sections, and I promise by the end of it, you will have it. I'm gonna turn around here so that my left is your left, and my right is your right, okay? Starting with the first section, we're gonna take our left leg first to step. Step left, then right behind, left to the side, tap right. Then we repeat the same thing on the other side. Step right, left behind, right, tap left. All right, so that's gonna go like this. Listen to my counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. One more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Last time, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. After I tap with this left one, 4 and, I'm going to do a cha-cha step to the front, and I'm going to go 5 and 6 and with that tap on that right. So I'm stepping forward on the left. If you see me from the side here, I'm going left, left, tap with the right. One more time, going to the front, cha-cha step, we go 5 and 6 and. Then from here, I step this right leg forward to do 2 dips, 7, 8. Oh, that dip feels so good. Let me show you that dip from the side. I'm gonna go from here, boom, I tap, boom, boom. 2 hip dips, just live your life in that, all right? Let's go from the top of section 1, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Yeah. A little bit faster and we'll move on. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. We said 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Good. All right. Now let's move on to section 2. So from here, when I go 7, 8, I'm going to rock front, so I'm going to step right, tap, left, left, tap, right, then go back, right, tap, left, left, tap, right. One more time, it's going right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Again, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. One more time, 5, 6 from a dip, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then from here, I'm going to turn myself around to step 5, 6, 7, 8. It's going to bring me back to the front. Okay, one more time. So we went from here, 7, 8, step right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Then we go around, step to your front, to your side, to your back, to your front. Yes. Okay, a little bit faster on that. We go from the dip. 5, 6, dip, 7, 8, tap, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, and when you're going around, just have a good time with that. I like to do this with my hands. I like to go, hey, 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 hey. But you can have any type of vibe going around there, okay? Now, to finish off section 2, when we said from here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's going to be our ending there, okay? Let's put section 1 and 2 together so you can make it make sense. Here we go, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yes. Then we go to the front. 5 and 6 and dip, 7, 8. Section 2, we tap 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we go around 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. All right, let's try a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, we said 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. This dance is so fun. All right, moving on to section number 3. It's gonna start on the and count, okay? But we're gonna do this step here. I'm gonna step left, right, left, right. Yes? Ba, 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 7, 8. Ta, 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 ta. 7, 8, and 1, and a 2. 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2. Listen to my counts, and a 1, and a 2. 7, 8, ba, 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 ba. Then we're gonna go out to my left, tap out. Yes? One more time, it's gonna go. And a 1, and a 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and 3, and 4. Good. Then from here, I'm going to take my body, I'm going to take my left leg first. Left, left, right, and. Right, right, left, and. So it's just here. Kick and step, and kick and step, and. Breaking it down slow again. Kick left. Bring your left leg back down. Step right, step left. Kick right, land right, step left, step right. It looks like this one more time. Boom, boom, ta, ta, boom, boom, ta, ta. Yeah. Okay, one more time. We said from here, 6, 7, slow. Boom, boom, ta, ta, boom, boom, ta, ta. Let's go from the shuffle front, shuffle back, side. So we said 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yeah. One more time to make sure you got that, okay? 5, 6. This is going to go from around 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that's section 3, all right? Let's go to section 4 and then we'll put everything together slowly, okay? Here we go. Section 4. Now this is very chill. You're gonna step forward with the left leg to slide to your left. Bring that right leg into tap, then slide to your right. Then give 2 little grooves here. A. And then back it up using the right leg first. Right tap left, then left, right. Then from here, take your right leg, step behind your left, and now turn towards your right shoulder. So I'm putting my right hand out right now to know which direction I'm turning. Turn, and you're gonna face the back now. If you turn around, you should see me facing you. All right? So let's do that one more time. This is section 4, by the way. We're going 1, 2, groove, 3, 4, 5, 6, step, turn, land, 8. Yes? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide, tap, groove it out. Slide back, step, turn, stop. And that's section number 4, okay? Let's do all the sections nice and slow to make sure you got it, okay? Let's do everything nice and slow. I'll stop so we can go with it with a nice clean tempo, okay? Here we go. From the top, 5, 6, 7, slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we go forward, 5 and 6, dip, 7, 8. Section 2, tap right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Then we go around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. And a 1, and a 2, out, 3, and 4. And from here, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, we go out. 1, 2, groove, 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, step, 7, 8. Yeah? All right, now let's try this 2 times in a row. We're gonna pick up the tempo a little bit to make sure you have it straight through, okay? So after we turn here, we're gonna continue the dance facing our new wall. I'm just gonna make it go with me, okay? But this time your back will be to me, all right? So let's start here all together. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, we said 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, dip, 7, 8, rock, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, around, 6, 7, 8, and a 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, groove, 3 and 4, back, 5 and 6, turn, 7, stop. All right, now your back's facing me. Let's try it again. Here we go. Listen to the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Dip, 7, 8. Rock, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and around. 6, 7, 8 and a 1 and a 2. Out, 3 and 4. Kick, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Slide, 1 and 2, groove, 3 and 4, back, 5 and 6, turn, 7, 8. Now you see my back? That means you did a good job, all right? That's the end of your tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Now try with the music by clicking right over here, or YouTube thinks you might want to learn this dance next. All right, guys? Thank you so much for your requests, and see you in the next tutorial. Peace.